park bench.
We got this new little piece of equipment because it sucks always work on the ground, and I got a vise. This vise rotates this way, and this part will loosen. Let's see, and spin. So I got multiple angles, a lot more usage out of it, I think, is why I wanted it. So we got little Jane out here with us. Little Jane. So we were supposed to be doing brakes, but the brake cable's taking a while to get here, so those are already resurfaced and painted. Basically look like brand new. But
Take them off. Maybe
go ahead and pull it off. I just sat them on there because we had them. You can just pull them off. Kind of heavy. They were sat in there because we had an emergency. We had to pull the fit the other Jeep in to get it inside the garage because of possible hail one day. So since we're bored and everything's taking a while, we're gonna go ahead and put in where they at.
Seatbelts?
These new seatbelts. We got a 3-point system right here for a bench. And Mama Mia's gonna be doing this. So, go ahead and take one out.
Is that it?
That's one of them. I don't know what side that is. I think that's the driver's side that you have. We have these lovely instructions.
Oh.
The driver's side. Let me see the bottom. Yeah, this is the... Maybe not. I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
I think the seatbelts are both the same, just the brackets are different.
The brackets are these. These brackets?
Oh, yeah, there we go. So
this is the driver?
That's the driver bracket. The other one's a passenger bracket. A little dark in here. Luckily, since I was 72... Oh, why is it getting so dark? Since I have a 72, I already have the holes for the top seatbelts to go in. Are you doing the passenger side first?
Sure.
Okay. So first, let's go ahead and install the top bracket.
Which one's that? This?
This point right here.
Yeah.
Unbuckle. So that's the, that's just, set that aside. The top part that goes on the shoulder is the black triangle, this thing.
So this is what I'm installing?
Yes, that little black triangle in your hand goes at the top.
And that's what this is, right?
There's a shoulder bolt in there. Correct. Show the camera.
Ow, I hit my shin!
Let's not hit your shin.
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
Here we go. Okay. Yeah, this should snap off somehow.
Everyone's gonna see my troll hands.
It's so dark. I'm just talking like don't cross thread it is all.
It looks like it's already a pretty shitty thread, TBH. I don't think it's the same actually matching thread.
Did you not have it in there a second ago?
Yeah, but that's as far as it goes. Let's catch us up to speed.
So, this threaded hole looks like it has been messed with before and is a different thread pitch compared to what we need. So, driver's side worked out alright. It's a little tight to get in there, but probably because the hole was dirty, but It's in there, top side, so let's hope the bottom side goes a little smoother.
Thank you.
So you got your old seat belt. That bolt right here. I believe the little reel, not reel, but
This thing?
yeah, the little roll-up assembly bolts there.
So this is fully me.
Yeah, this is you.
This is so difficult.
Did you see how I was laying when I was doing it? She's gonna learn about the art of
Like this?
positioning yourself in order to get some torque on these things.
I'm just not that strong.
You're just not positioning yourself very efficiently.
Well, how are you doing?
Take the bottom one off and then reposition it. Try and keep your eyes under, not out from being underneath. There you go. Strong, see? There, look at that. Free?
Sure is.
Easy clap. People make fun of it, but
How do I turn it on?
they work. Alright, so we decided we're gonna take the seat out. So
Can I turn this off? Do I need this on?
Jana. Got it out? So we took the seat out. And little Jana has decided to make it her throne. Of course, it is raining again while we're doing this, so the sun's gone. It's darker in here. I don't have good lighting in the garage, so I'm sorry about that for the video. I'll try my best to try and see what I can brighten up during editing, but this bracket right here bolts right here, and then this will bolt, this hole right here my pinky is will bolt onto this, and this will bolt on the back side. I'll show you again once all hooked. I'll show you again once all hooked together. On the first, the longer bracket right there, the factory bolt hole. The bracket comes out a little bit, and the retractor is on one side, and this little piece is on the other side. Hooks up with the hardware they gave you, and there you go. Okay, so the passenger side is a bit easier and nicer to install. You get that bracket that bolts in the factory hole. The retractor bolts on one end, and the other end on the other end. This piece right here, that is. Now, the problem we're having right now is somebody in the past had tapped this to a different thread, 7/16 by 14, I believe, whenever the factory one is 7/16 by 20. So for temporary, I have this bolt here just for installation. I'll have to try and see if I can get a new shoulder bolt right there that is the proper thread.
Did you hear the click?
I think we heard the click.
You heard the click?
Buckled in. Look at
Vroom,
that.
vroom. I'm in me mom's car.
Now jerk, no, hug it back up. Now, test
Did I
it.
in an accident?
Test it. Now, go forward with your body. Quick.
It's a weird test. It worked.
There you go. You goober. Okay.
The seatbelt for your safety.
Jana said that her seat is gone. Right. Huh. She didn't want to get out of it. Alright, Mamma Mia, let's get this filter done.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So go ahead and go open the hood.
How do I do that on this?
There's a latch in the middle of the grill. Yep, there's a latch. I believe you just
Is it pull or?
push it. Okay, well, I did it for you, but you gotta kind of, you gotta push the latch as you're pushing the hood up. There you go. Nice.
This one sits up on its own?
Yep. Alright, so we're
That's a lot
replacing
farther than I
that.
was thinking it would be.
I'm gonna let you figure this one out.
No.
This one's pretty easy.
Is it this stupid thing up here?
Try it.
I can't reach it. Am I allowed to climb on this thing?
Yeah, but I wouldn't.
Okay, where's the step ladder?
Where it's supposed to be. Dad lamp is on. Step stool acquired.
This thing? I just don't want to do anything before I'm wrong, or then be wrong.
If you screw up, I'll tell you.
And then I'll cry.
Look at that. Do you know what that's called?
The
piece
thing
right there?
under the filter. No.
What?
What, this?
Yeah, what's that called? The whole thing.
This whole thing?
No, the little bronze looking thing. This.
I don't know.
Alright, that's called a carburetor.
Oh. You know what's funny? I was gonna say that, but I was like, I don't know what that looks like.
Got an Edelbrock Carb. Is that aftermarket?
I want to make sure Janice is okay. I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to be wrong. Fine. I'm sorry.
Edelbrock Carb. I wonder if that's aftermarket. Is there a part number on it?
This thing? That part number?
What does that say? It's upside down.
36021?
That's like on the choke, so I'm not sure if that's it. There's a thing on that. 1902.
8905? 1902.
Edelbrock Quadrajet. Quadra junk. Alright, well, whatever. That's not what we're here for.
Where's the other thing?
Let's look at this. Pull the top off. So this filter looks pretty gross. Probably was tough to breathe in there. Tastes like gas.
Why would you do that?
Why not? Start with that.
Like frisbee later.
Alright, we got a nice new one. These are from Holly. Well, this finish is a little disappointing for the polished, I feel like. Don't you think, Mia?
I don't know.
Okay, she doesn't know, but I think the finish could have been a little better. It's a thicker one. As you can see, this is like way thicker than what that one was. So,
I just don't know what you're looking for when in a polish for that, so that's all.
mirror.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have the thing. You're never gonna see it.
Why don't you say that?
Oh no, I guess I'm never getting invited into the garage again. Okay.
Alright, so there's a gasket on there.
I wish you guys could see his face when I said that. I was like, you're never gonna see it. And it was huge disappointment. Okay, what's this? Does this go on there first?
Look on there, there's an old one.
This thing?
Yeah, pull it off. Make sure you don't drop anything in the carb. Okay. Go ahead and open up the new one.
Can you hold that? Okay. Winder.
Okay, so you had a little. Where's that bolt that you had? Is that gonna be tall enough? I feel like. Screw it in.
That's screwed in.
Screw it in, okay.
Does this face any specific way?
No.
What am I getting caught on?
Give me that filter. It's sitting down now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was that in the back.
Okay. What is that?
These?
Spark plug wires. Okay, so make sure you don't get those caught underneath.
I don't think they're caught underneath, but they're definitely pushing into it.
barely.
I don't think it's gonna. It doesn't engage.
Push down on it. No? Okay, take the lid off. Loosen that some. Stud some. Got it threaded?
2, 3 threads.
Keep tightening it. Now give it a little wiggle.
What? The bottom or the top?
The whole thing. Alright, it's on there pretty good. Nice. How hard was that?
It's really easy.
Yeah. That's why I had you do that one.
I'm not upset with that.
Looking good. Nice big old thick filter and
Actually, looks really nice.
yeah. It'll look better one day whenever we clean up the engine. Paint it and get everything all nice. So what'd you think about installing the seatbelts difficulty wise?
It was easy except for the one bolt that was tampered with. Or one screw. Whatever.
Where they rethreaded it?
Yeah. Which is obviously been and probably will continue to be something that is encountered with this vehicle. But other than that, it's super easy. And it looks way better.
And it's safer.
And it's safer.
And I have seatbelts on both sides now.
Yes.
Kinda. Till I get that bolt, but.
Yeah.
What about the AirBreather?
That was really easy.
Yeah.
It was really easy.
And
I think the seat belts were made easier once we took out the seat itself.
alright, so you excited to do the brakes next, huh?
Yeah. That's the one I'm actually looking forward to. That's where I
Alright.
get to get my hands real dirty.
Yep.
But no hammering.
Okay. We need no hammering.
I'm not gonna be sitting there like under the.
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe I speak too soon.
Alright, say bye everybody.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and bell notification and I don't know, like, comment, do all that fun stuff. Okay, bye.